Hello, Saad. How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
What did you do today?
Just reading some Quran.
You read Quran today?
I was reading a lot of Quran today.
How many pages you read so far?
About 5.
5 pages?
Yeah.
Okay, what special do you do in the month of Ramadan?
Oh, I pray.
You pray?
Yeah, I pray Tarawih.
You pray Tarawih? How many rakats you pray Tarawih a day?
Yesterday I prayed 4. Day before yesterday I prayed 2. Today I might pray 8.
8 inshallah?
Yeah.
Okay. So, can you tell us what do you do special in the month of Ramadan?
I pray.
Just you pray?
And read Quran.
Read Quran. Okay.
And fast.
Okay, it's like your summer vacation, so you are not going to school. But when you go to school, what is your daily routine?
Oh, my daily routine is my daily routine is school.
Just to go to school? What time do you go to school?
8 hours of my day is in school.
And when you get back from your school, what do you do?
Oh, after when I get back from school, before you were here, before you ever used to be my qari sab, when I come back from school, I have 1 hour to eat and stuff, and then after 1 hour, then I have to go to a Quran class in Maryam Masjid.
Okay, where is the Maryam Masjid and how far it's from your house?
It's only 50 seconds away.
Okay, what do you like about Maryam Masjid?
It's so like peaceful and nice and clean.
Really?
Yeah.
And where do you live?
I live in. I can't say that.
What state again? Just to.
Texas.
Texas. In what country?
USA.
USA. Perfect. Very cool. Okay. Do you like going to masjid?
Sometimes.
Okay. Any message that you want to give to your listeners and viewers, all your friends, those who are watching you live today?
My fellow friends?
Yes.
Oh, he's a very good teacher. Stay connected to Lingo Languages School to learn more about spoken English.
Thank you so much, Saad. Thank you so much. So nice of you.
Please subscribe and turn notifications on.
Okay, thank you, Saad.